Hey everyone, how are you doing today? Jacob Burkett with Real Broker. Got another great home tour for you today. As you can kind of see, the mountains behind me, and then over here, this is the house behind me. So let's go talk about it and take a look, shall we? Thanks. All right, so built in 2016. It's a nice sized house at 3,800 square feet. Got a 3-car garage. We have RV parking here over here on the side. Half an acre, 4 beds, 4 bath. All right, let's go take a look at this house. Of course, hey, if you guys have any questions, all my contacts info is right there. Please like, subscribe to the channel. We'll keep pumping out these videos. And if you'd like to find out what your home's worth or, look for some homes to sell, visit our website right below there and we will help you out. Okay, so we just came through the front door and let's look at this area. So right off to the left, we have a formal dining area. Now, most of this house has 12-foot ceilings right here in the entryway. We do have a little bit higher. Those look like they're going to be about 15-foot ceilings. Nice big double door entryway. Got some nice windows over here. And you have like a nice little formal sitting area over here. Now, if you wanted to, this could easily be converted into a 5th room, another office, and whatnot. So easily done. But since we're here, let's go ahead and pop into the great room, kitchen area, another little dining area, and TV room. All right, so we're just gonna kind of pan back here and take a peek at this here kitchen area, right? Got granite countertops, GE monogram appliances. Great big huge center island. Got some cool pendant lights coming down, I like that. Kind of reminds me of like a mason jar or something you'd see back in the South, catching fireflies or something like that. So over here we got a nice big 5-burner, got an oven, second oven and microwave, and then of course your built-in fridge over there. Nice big chef style hood. Got some cool backsplash there. These are all soft shut cabinets. This would be your pantry. So I'll give you both the doors open, give you a view. So it's not a walk-in, but it's a decent sized pantry. You could do plenty in there. And of course you got this huge island, granite countertops in here. A lot of storage on this island, so that's always important. Kind of give you a view. Ceramic tile on the floor here. So this is what it looks like if you're entertaining, hanging out with people, right? Entrance into the backyard, and then over here you have a small 3-panel slider that opens up. You got a nice little TV area over here. I believe that's a 75-inch on the wall. Kind of giving you this view here again. So this would be this is the main focal point of this house, or one of them. It's just a great big area to hang out with friends and family, and dining and entertaining and all that good stuff. So over here we'll call this bedroom 4. LVP flooring in here. It does have a walk-in closet. Is there a light? It should be a light, yeah. So, all right, nothing too crazy, but plenty of room in there. And then here you're gonna have the bathroom that goes with this bedroom. And of course, if you had people over entertaining, this is the bathroom they would use. So the same matching tile in here, countertop. Does have a walk-in shower over there. So this would be that bathroom. Kind of panning these views a bit. So we're gonna go into the hallway back here, look at bedroom 3, which is more like an ensuite. So this is the entrance to bedroom number 3. We're gonna peek in the bathroom that goes accompanying with this bedroom. So single sink, storage closet, walk-in shower back there. And then of course the toilet's right here back behind the door. So this bathroom really goes with this bedroom. And now the nice thing is, so there's only 2 different types of flooring in this whole house. You have the tile and then the LVP. And it's one or the other, so. But this is a pretty nice bedroom. Pretty big, got a king size bed there. 2 big windows, big TV mounted on the wall. Ceiling fan, and a walk-in closet. So pretty decent sized walk-in closet there. All right, so we're really close to the garage, so let's go ahead and take a peek in it. Now this is a nice sized garage. You've got epoxy floors, 3-car garage, and it is on this far side, the double bay of it, it's 29 feet. So 8-foot garage doors, 29 feet from garage door to back wall. So it's pretty deep. You can see you got a TV over there, got it set up as a home gym. Brand new hot water heater, 75-gallon, and a soft water right there. Some cool cabinets and whatnot. So, all right, let's go check out the laundry room. Then we'll hit the primary up. Then we'll finish up in the backyard, okay? Oh, 8-foot doors on all the rooms. So here we go, heading into the laundry room. You got two big linen closets. Pocket doors opening up. Big laundry room. Got a sink over on this side. A lot of storage space. And this is really close to the primary, so let's pop into the primary bedroom. Oh, sorry. Got one more room to see first. So we'll call this bedroom 2. Here we go. 2 windows, decent sized room, another huge TV, big walk-in closet. All right, nice and big. And then this is also like an ensuite as well. Here's the bathroom for it. Let me get the light on. So that tile is through the main body of the house and all the bathrooms. And then the LVP is just in the bedrooms. So shub tower combo. And this is the primary. Nice big double door entryway into it. You will notice that you do have your own sliding glass door into the backyard, which is really fantastic. So it's nice big primary, windows, good use of the windows, lighting. Got a fireplace that goes through to the bathroom. On the other side is the tub. And it's got a really big walk-in closet here. So, real big. Come in here like, I guess, shoe racks, right? Lots of shoe racks up there too. All right, let's take a peek inside the bathroom. So we got a freestanding tub right here, right? Over here you've got dual sinks. One big window, lights, toilet, and the walk-in shower. So kind of hard for me to get in there with the angle, but it does cut back behind this wall right here. There's a little bench in there as well too, and you got a couple little windows up there, privacy windows. So kind of give you the view of the bathroom a little better. All right, so let's go check out the backyard. All right, so we come out into the backyard and you can see there's this covered patio that came with the house, and then there was an extension built on over here. So it's got a huge covered patio area over here. Yeah, there's some chickens behind the house. So if you like chickens, make friends with the neighbors, get you a little chicken farm. There's the side of the house here, and lots of mature landscape. There is apples, apricots, grapefruits, and nectarines. So you got 4 fruit-bearing fruit trees out here as well. You do have real grass, but yeah, this is super private, super chill area over here. And we're gonna come over this way. I like chickens. I think they're fascinating animals. So just to watch a chicken walk around, I don't know what it is, but it just calms me. Got some oleanders right there. And then, all right, so over here we have the RV area. In total, from the side of the house to the sidewall, not the retaining sidewall, is 36 feet. So if you wanted to build an RV garage here, you could. It could be about 25 feet wide. Got a 10-foot gate opening right there. All the utilities are on the other side of the house. And this goes back, how far does this go back? This goes back 56 feet of paved. So from the gate, which I am backing up to now, it goes back 56 feet. You could go back further if you wanted to. So you could put a pretty nice RV garage if you wanted to. So, but hey, that concludes the tour of this house. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please comment, please engage. Let me know what you like, don't like. Please subscribe if you ever have any questions. Go ahead and give us a call. Love to chat with you. Love to answer any questions. If you'd like to learn about how to buy a house, how to sell a house, how to do both at the same time, do it all the time. If you're interested in new construction homes, let me know. I'll send you a list of exactly what you're looking for and the incentives that are offered. So thanks so much, and we'll see you next time.